Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 remains a workhorse in the full-size van segment, offering durability, capability, and versatility for businesses and individuals needing a reliable transport solution. Despite newer and more modern competitors in the market, the Savana 3500 stays true to its old-school design, prioritizing function over form. Under the hood, the 2025 model offers two engine options, a standard 4.3-litre V6 producing 276 horsepower and 298 pounds-feet of torque, and an available 6.6-litre V8 that cranks out 401 horsepower and 464 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a balance of power and efficiency. While it lacks the hybrid or electric options seen in new arrivals, its traditional powertrains ensure reliability and easy maintenance, making it an ideal choice for fleet operators. The towing and payload capacities are where the GMC Savana 3500 truly shines. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity exceeding 4,000 pounds. This van is designed to handle demanding jobs, whether hauling equipment, transporting cargo, or serving as a foundation for a camper conversion. The Savana 3500 delivers dependable performance. Its rear-wheel drive setup ensures stability, while available upgrades like a locking rear differential enhance traction on challenging terrain. Inside, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 maintains a no-nonsense, utilitarian design. The dashboard layout is simple, with large controls that are easy to use even while wearing gloves. The standard model comes with vinyl upholstery for durability, while higher trims offer cloth seating for improved comfort. While the technology package is not as advanced as those found in newer competitors, it does include essential features such as a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A Wi-Fi hotspot is available, ensuring connectivity for businesses on the go. Safety features have been improved in the latest model. Standard safety equipment includes forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a rear view camera. Additional options, such as blind spot monitoring and parking sensors, can be added for extra peace of mind. While not as high-tech as some of its rivals, the Savana 3500 provides sufficient driver assistance features to enhance safety on long hauls and urban routes. Customization options remain a strong selling point for the Savana 3500. It is available in cargo and passenger configurations, with various roof heights and wheelbase options to accommodate different needs. Fleet managers can outfit the van with specialized upfits, making it ideal for delivery services, shuttle transportation, or even mobile workshops. The van's boxy design, while outdated compared to modern competitors, allows for maximum interior space utilization. In terms of fuel efficiency, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 remains within expected limits for a full-size van. The V6 engine provides slightly better mileage, making it a practical choice for those prioritizing efficiency. However, the V8 is the preferred option for heavy-duty applications where power is essential. While newer electric and hybrid vans may offer better fuel economy, the Savana 3500 compensates with its proven reliability and lower initial costs. For businesses looking for a dependable, no-frills work van, the 2025 GMC Savana 3500 continues to be a strong contender. Its rugged construction, powerful engine choices, and high payload capacity make it an excellent choice for various commercial applications. Although it lacks the modern refinements of newer competitors, it remains a practical and cost-effective option for those who prioritize function over luxury.